Hello friends, it's Sheree from Turquoise Dreaming. How's everyone doing today? Welcome to my channel and happy Thanksgiving. I hope everyone had a very nice Thanksgiving with whatever you did with friends and family. So today is the last day of Susan and I's November collab, hashtag cornucopia of recipes. We've really enjoyed it working with everyone, and so I hope you all enjoyed it too. So I just wanted to let you know the last day to enter, like do anything that you can do with all the things that you can do to enter this collab and get points and things like that, is November 29th, and Susan and I will be doing our drawing on December 2nd when we announce our December collab. So let me show you what I got going on this week. The prompts for this collab were to work on any project you wanted to, use a thankful word, quote, or scripture verse, and let's see, use something related to food or recipes. So I have been working on these recipe journals, and I had finished the one. Let me grab this one for you. I finished the one recipe card journal and put it in my shop, and I did a flip through video, so hopefully you would have seen that, and that one was sold. So this is another one that I was working on, the second one, and these were made from recipe cards. And I have a flip through video tomorrow that will be posted or published, so stay tuned for that. But this is already in my shop. If you are interested, you can pop over there and grab this one. And so then from now on, after this one's sold, that's going to be a made to order listing. I love making these, so I wanted to make it a made to order listing. So that means if you order one, the picture in there is an example. It's not even the picture of this one, it's the picture of the first one. But if you order one from now on, when you order it, I will make it after you order it. And it'll just take me, a little bit of time, but I'll get it to you as quick as I can. But yeah, I really like making these, so I wanted to make it a made to order listing. I have a few of those, my Cracker Jack journal and my popcorn bag journal. So hey, those are my fun journals I like to make, and I like to make all my journals, but those are just some I can make pretty quickly, in the evenings when I get home from work or whatever, and get it to you pretty quickly. So anyway, today I'm working on these recipe journals, and I've got all my pages in here, and I have not sewed them in yet. I did add a little bit of Aida cloth to my spines and some rickrack, as you can see there. I think that turned out, added a nice touch to it and decoration, and kind of reinforced the spine a little bit more and things like that. And that fabric is sewn on, and then I added the rickrack. Same with this one, all sewn together, and added the rickrack on this one. So I've got my pages that I've got all my pages in here. And what I did for my last couple of pages was, and to look for grateful and thankful and quotes and things like that, is pull out this it's called an easy scrapbooking calendar. I actually received this as a gift in 2006 because I used to do scrapbooking, but I have seen people haul this, so I know a few of you out there have this same calendar or something close to it. I don't know if they did it more than 1 year, more than 2006, but mine is 2006. And I have these papers that I didn't use in the journals. I'll show you the ones I used in the journals, but I pulled out all the ones. I don't know if I pulled out all the whole month of November, but here's the ones I pulled out from November. This one caught my eye, because it's a thankful kind of quote gathered together with, or sentiment gathered together with thankful hearts. So I thought that was cute and nice. And then here's the other pages that were from November, a little scarecrow and the fall leaves. So the pages I put in the journals from this calendar are, let me show you. I debated on whether I should cut off the date, but I decided to leave it because I kind of like that it shows the date that it's from 2006, you know what I mean? So I added this little turkey page. I thought that was so cute, and you can write a little something in here, and then they're blank on the back, so you can write on the back or glue something on there, write a recipe, whatever you might want to do. These don't have to be recipe journals. They could be any type of journal, but they have a lot of recipe related food related things in here. And then this one is also, and I thought it was really, from that calendar, and it's also just an overall pattern, which is nice, like nice scrapbook paper, right? And the same thing, white on the back. So plenty of writing room and room to put in things on those. And for this one, I added, let's see, this page here with the leaves. And then the other one, I added two in each one. And the other one is, and they add a lot of nice color in here too. So I like that. And this one, really pretty, aren't they? Let me show you the back of that scrapbook calendar real quick to show you what, I mean, I know you can probably imagine, but this is what they intended for you to do with these pages right here. Isn't that, they make nice frames and mats for pictures. So if you have one of these and you scrapbook, you can also, you know, or if you see one of these in a thrift store, that's what the intended purpose was, to use them as backgrounds and things. I think that's really cute too. I mean, you could do that in your junk journal, right? So that is that. And so, and then I pulled out these pages, or I kept these pages separate that I didn't end up using in there. I'm going to try to make some ephemera with these for these journals, and use these pages that I just showed you. I think I just showed you these, right? So yeah, I'm going to make some tags and ephemera with these. And then I also pulled out looking for other things with the thankful, grateful sentiments, and I just actually found some thank you cards. So I'm going to put these in these journals as kind of ephemera or tags or whatever. But I thought these, I remember bringing these home from the thrift store, and I thought they were really cute. And they're just thank you cards, and they're just one piece of cardstock. It's not a card that opens up. And this is how they were made, and I think they're really cute. They have a matching envelope even. So, and the green envelope matches the green on here, the green thank you. So I'm going to put this one of these little sets in each of these journals in a pocket, or clip it on a page or something. So I think that's neat. And so that's two things I'm going to add. And this, I just wanted to share this with you because I thought, as I was looking for other things that had nice sentiments on them, I found some of my vintage these are actually Get Well cards, but they have, if you have any of these, this is just meant to be a little reminder that if you need something with a nice sentiment on it, these thank you cards, Get Well cards, have really, well, first of all, they're really beautiful, and second of all, they have beautiful sentiments on them and in them. So that is a place where you can find sentiments. And I've shown you in each of my videos each week places where you can get, without going and buying anything, if maybe you can look through your stash and see if you have any of those things, places where you can look for nice sentiments, you know what I mean? So if you haven't seen all my videos for this collab this month, it was every Friday this month, so go back and look, and you can see where I got all of my little sentiments and quotes and things. And I was going to give you a little sneak peek for December, for Susan and I's December collab. I'm not going to tell you what it is yet, but I'm going to use some of this calendar. So I was really inspired as I was going through, looking through. I looked through the whole, practically every page in here, and there was 365 pieces of paper in here because it's a calendar, and there's one piece of paper for every day. But I found, I looked through December because, we're getting this ready to have this collab that Susan and I are doing for December. And I found all of these pretty papers. So I was going to show you real quick. I would like to do something with these in our December collab. So I'm going to show you. Look, this one is, I love this one right here. And these little ornaments are so cute. And there's a few of those pages with ornaments. And look, there's some more. I just love those. And then there's ones like this. Really kind of homespun, cute little, wouldn't that be a cute tag? And these could be a page where you fold it in half, and then you get one of the images on each page, or I could cut it in half and make tags. And then there's some overall kind of things like this. Of course, this could be a nice page in a journal too. And this one, I might make a tag with it or something, or a journal card, or a couple of journal cards. This one's really cute. Of course, it's already got a tag on it, so it's like calling out to be a tag. And I like it when there's two things on here like this, because I can cut it right down the middle. On a tag, I would cut off the date and just use these two, each half for a tag. And of course, I would put it on some cardstock or something. And then this looks like a nice piece of stationery that you could do something with, and with that little frame in the middle there. And here's one. Could be cut into a couple of tags. Santa. Another frame. These are really cute. You could cut these out individually and use it for little decorations and pockets and things. That's neat. And here's another, this whole page one that I think looks like stationery. And of course, that could be a great background for tag, and then put some little, you know, I mean, you could even decorate it with one of these. Put this right over top of it. Cut that little thing out and put it on here as a decoration. Or use some, you know, if you have some little ephemera you want to use. Yeah. Oh, these could be long, narrow tags. That's cute. Yeah, I like those. I like different shaped things. Oh, here's some more of my ornaments. I love these ornaments. 2006. This is what they were doing in 2006. This is what we were doing in 2006. Oh, here's some more. See, this one. See, these had a, the difference is, let me turn this over. See, this had a light blue background, a little bit different, lighter, kind of different color on the pinks. But almost the same though, isn't it? It's just the blue background makes a big difference. There's some darker greens in here. I just think those ornaments are so pretty. And then, oh, a little group of snowmen. You could make a card with that or whatever. This one too, make some Christmas cards. Let it snow, or even that could be a January card. Oh, it is January. Hello. I guess I pulled it out because it looked Christmassy. Pulled a couple January ones here. This is January too, but it had snowmen on it. And you can write something on there. And another piece that looks like stationery, but it's also January. But it has a tree on it and snow, so that said Christmas to me, so I pulled it out. Anyway, I'm hoping to do something with these during our December collab, so I wanted to show you all of that and where I am with these. I'm having a lot of fun with these junk journals. So stay tuned. Like I said, the last day to enter this collab will be November 29. We'll be doing our drawing. I'm drawing my winner from points, and Susan's drawing her winner out of a random draw. So we will have 2 different winners, and we will be offering our winner a choice of a few different places to get an e-gift card from. So I think that will be fun. So see you all in December, and see you all in my next video. Have a great day.